Hi, this is Grape Vape with VapioActive mods, and we're going to have an unboxing of the brand new Lemo2 I got. Okay, as you can see, Eleaf box, Lemo, pretty nice box. Here's the actual Lemo2. Let's take it out of there. There is the brand new fill hole, unlike the Lemo1. Of course, you have your vent hole down at the bottom, and the 510 compatible drip tip adapter for the stove. And a lot of people said they were having problems with this right here. Basically, the tank, we'll have to take this apart. Let's see what else is in the box first. Okay. So we have the user manual. Okay. We have a warning product warning card. Let's see what we have. What kind of goodies we have down here. Okay, and here we have some, I'm assuming that that's virgin cotton, and what looks to be a standard screwdriver and a Phillips head on a keychain. It's pretty nifty. A couple extra O-rings, a couple extra screws for the deck, and last but not least, 28 gauge, looks to be like, yeah, about 28 gauge Kenthal. Yeah. Okay. So that was the unboxing of the Lemo2. Now I have to go wash this, and then we'll see what else was happening.
This has been a Grape Vape production. Thanks for watching.